If you're looking at making a move to the Enumclaw area, then you are not going to want to miss this newest listing in the desirable Bass Lake community.
Sitting on a shy 2 acres with over 1,700 square feet of living space and a large shop, we can't wait to show you around.
Let's go. This home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, and is just shy of 1,800 square feet. And one of my personal favorite features about this home is the open concept living space and this humongous kitchen island.
Featuring a fully fenced and gated, shy 2 acres, you've got garden space, a chicken coop, a 2-story shop, and a pickleball and basketball court ready driveway.
With plenty of outdoor living spaces, this property lives secluded and private, but you are actually just minutes away from downtown Enumclaw and all of its amenities.